We're gonna talk about 5 easy ways to make your home a smart home. Number 1 is the thermostats.
Everybody wants to control the temperature from the touch of your phone. So it's nice, you're going home, you want to cool the house off or heat it up depending on the time of year. Everybody wants to control that, and it's an easy and inexpensive upgrade.
Next is your doorbell. Everybody wants to know who's at the door before they open the door.
More importantly, I think people want to know, when is my Amazon package getting there?
That's really, yes, that's true.
Probably more important, but that is also an inexpensive upgrade to make your home part of having that smart feature package.
Right, because nobody actually comes to your door anymore. Light switches.
Everybody likes flicking light switches up and down, especially when I was a kid, but now they want to do it from their phone. So you can buy Wi-Fi light switches that can control your entire house, including your outside lights, all at the touch of a button.
Speaking of outside lights, your floodlights.
Yes. My personal favorite is the ring floodlights because you're solving 2 problems at once. You're getting the floodlight, and then you can see what wild animal might be running through your yard at that time too. I got one hot take for you. When Susan and I moved into a house, we had terrible cell phone reception, and I'd called the cell phone company and they said, oh, because of your address, we're gonna send you an extender. So therefore it extended through the whole house, and it made making calls from our cell phones a lot easier. So you might wanna call your local provider and see if you qualify for that if you do have bad service, because it's a nice upgrade to have.